welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm Matthew and today I'll be showing you how to program your radio station in your Mazda vehicle. Once you've turned your accessories mode on in the car, you want to go to your entertainment system to access your radio stations. In here, you can access your FM, AM or digital audio frequencies by selecting the music symbol again. Once you feel like you've chosen one, select the frequency you want, and then you can also select the radio station. So at the moment it says signal lost, so just come down to your three dashes and that will allow you to choose your radio station in that frequency. To update and to program your radio stations, what you want to do is go to your update list, you press the updating list, and then it will update all your radio stations in the area that you're currently in. So if you're driving to a different area from Brisbane to Ipswich or to Gold Coast, you will actually have different radio stations pop up. So once you go through, if you feel like selecting one, what you can do is you just press it and select it. If you want to add them to your favorites, you go back into here, and then what you do is you hover over the selected favorite you would like, and then you hold the favorites button on your control commander. To access your favorites, you just want to press the favorites button on here. Then you can also edit / remove your favorites if you wish to get rid of them. So just go delete and then you select which one you'd like to delete. Thank you for watching Tips and Tricks Tuesday here at Mazda. We'll make it happen.